Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to change out a pool light. Check it out. Just make sure that locks. Okay, we are going to work on this light right here on this corner. We're going to remove it, replace it with a new one, and it ties in right over here on the wall in this junction box. Okay, so we got to kill the power first, and that's over here. We will kill the power at the breaker box to make sure that we don't get electrocuted. See you screw up. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Oh.
We've already checked it. We know this one is the spa light, and this one is the pool light. So we're gonna disconnect. Before we touch anything, we'll make sure there's no power. Okay. So we'll turn that on. And we'll go ground to yellow. That's the hot one. See, we're 0, 0, 0, so we know it's off. Okay. So then we've already been in here when we looked at it last time and disconnected. This is the light that goes to the blue one. And this is the light that goes to the deep end. Okay. And the lights share ground and they share the neutral. So we'll disconnect that. So we're going to take this wire here. We're going to tie our rope to it and pull it back through. Okay, go ahead and kill that for a second. Okay. I should go. Ready? Oh. Yeah. Okay. So then we'll cut this off, put the new light on it, and pull it back through. Okay. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. So this is just sizing the cord. Try to get the cords the same and leave just a little bit extra on the new light. Then we'll cut that off and expose the wires, and this is where I'll braid in the pull string that I pulled through the conduit, and I'll use it to pull it back the other way. Once the cord comes through, we will cut it off, resize it, and reattach all the wires. Be sure and leave enough cord so that you can set the pool light up on the deck for future repairs or when you change a bulb. Okay, all's left, remake the electrical connections, hook it up, and give it a test. the deep end both working. Okay. We'll just put everything back together. Okay. Wind it. And that. Perfect. Okay, let's kill it, clean up, get out of here.